Why does the impact matter for the oil inside? It shows the raw power and physical start of the journey.
Why is this oil so thick and yellow? This is the crude stage before purification.
How do you dry something in seconds? Vacuum technology is the secret to keeping soap fresh.
Here we see the transition from the batch stage to the continuous production line, as the hot soap base cascades onto the cooling belt.
Why use granite rollers? Granite doesn't conduct heat, keeping the fragrance fresh during the high-pressure crush.
How fast is this? The machine wraps 5 bars every second. Next, the invisible glue seal.
Laser-etched codes allow us to track the bar back to the coconut farm. Next, the laser of traceability. Can you read that? Every bar has a unique ID for global safety tracking.
Does the heat melt the soap? No, the speed is so fast, the heat only touches the plastic, not the bar.
Why separate the bars? Prevents friction during shipping, which could scuff the premium Lux logo. Why does Lux smell so good? Because every batch is tested against a French perfume master sample.
Is there really 48 bars inside? The weight check detects if even a sink bar is missing. Next, the 5-kilogram truth test. Why print on every box? Ensures every bar can be traced back to the exact hour it was made.
How much can this arm lift? It lifts 2,000 cases a day without ever getting tired or making a mistake.
Why rotate the boxes? Interlocking layers make the pallet 40% more stable during high-speed turns. Why wrap the whole pallet? It prevents moisture, dust, and theft during the long journey to the retail store. Pinwheel engaged. Push it tight to the left.
Confirmed. Row 2 is secured.